Alright guys, how you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name's Will, and on this channel I'll show you how to make delicious food in your own home. If you want to know how to do that, go down below there and click the subscribe button. You will not regret it. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious, easy Date Pecan Soda bread, and it only takes a few minutes to prepare. You're going to love it. Let's get down to it.
Alright, this recipe is for an 8-inch loaf tin. Add to a bowl 220 grams of dates, half a teaspoon or 2 grams of bicarbonate soda, and finally 233 milliliters of boiling water. Mix it to combine, then set it aside to let cool to room temperature. Now in a bowl, sift in the flour and the baking powder. Now you're going to add about half a teaspoon of cinnamon. You can add more if you like cinnamon. Just whisk it in to combine. Add the sugar and the butter. If you want to be vegan, you can substitute the butter with vegan margarine. Work it using your fingertips until it resembles like a wet sand, just like that. Now add 1 beaten egg. If you wanted to be vegan, you can easily substitute the egg with half a ripe banana, mushed up. Now we're going to blitz the nuts so it's fine, which will make it easier to incorporate it into the mix. Season with salt. Now pour the date mixture in and gently fold it in until it's just combined. Add in the vanilla extract or maple syrup if you like maple syrup better. Lightly grease a non-stick loaf tin with butter and coat with flour. Place a strip of parchment paper. This will make it easier to remove from the tin once baked. Now preheat oven to 180 degrees and bake this for 55 minutes or until the skewer inserted into the center of the cake comes out clean. Then leave in the tin for 5 minutes just to film. Ta-da! Now just let it cool completely. And there you have it guys. Date and pecan soda bread. This is such a simple recipe and it's so versatile, you can have it with anything you like. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, I really appreciate if you give this video a thumbs up. If you're new, I really hope you subscribe because there's a lot of good recipes to come. Guys, like always, thanks for watching. Take care, see you guys in a bit.